Hi, I'm Maria Janet, your mentor for today. Let x be our first term and y is our last term. So, the square of a binomial consists of the square of the first term twice the product of the first and last terms, and last, the square of the last term. We have some examples. So, x minus 3 squared. So we have x as our first term and 3 as our last term. So we need to square the first term, which is x squared, and get the twice of the product of the first term and last term, which is 2 times 3x, and 3 squared, which is our last term, which is 9. So we will have x squared minus 6x plus 9. So another example is letter B. We have x plus 5 squared. So x our first term and our last term is 5. So we will get the square of the first term, which is x squared, and twice the product of the first term and last term, which is 2 times 5x, and the last term, which is 5, get the squared, we have 25. So we will have x squared 10x plus 25.